In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Outlook password without phone number and email. If you can't access your phone or backup email, there are still two practical paths you can use. First, we'll walk through Microsoft's account recovery form, which lets you prove it's really you. Then, if you've ever saved your password in your browser, I'll show you where to check in Microsoft Edge. Start by going to the Microsoft Sign In page and choosing Forgot Password. When you are asked to verify your identity, select I don't have any of these. This tells Microsoft you can't complete the usual codes and need to use the recovery form. You'll be asked for a new working email address where Microsoft can send updates about your request. Make sure it's an inbox you can check right away. Next comes a questionnaire designed to confirm ownership of the account. Provide details you remember, such as passwords you previously used for this account, subjects of emails you recently sent, and contacts you've emailed lately. You'll also be asked for your birth date and location information. Answer as accurately as you can, using real examples you recall, and avoid guessing randomly. The more consistent and specific your answers, the better your chances. A helpful tip here: submit the form from a device, browser, and location you've used before to sign in to this account. That background signal can strengthen your case. Also, review your answers before submitting to make sure there are no typos or contradictions. After you submit, Microsoft typically reviews the request within about 24 hours. Keep an eye on your inbox, including the spam or junk folder, for their response to the address you provided. If your request isn't approved the first time, don't worry, you can try again later with more precise information. Consistency across attempts is important. Now, if you've previously allowed your browser to save your Outlook or Live password, you might be able to view it directly. In Microsoft Edge, open Settings. Go to Profiles, then Passwords. Use the search box to find your Outlook or Live account entry. When you select the saved password, Edge may prompt you to verify with your device password before revealing it. Only do this on a device you trust, and never on a shared or public computer. If you are able to see the saved password, you can use it to sign back in. That's it. Follow these steps carefully, take your time with the details, and you'll give yourself the best chance of regaining access. Thanks for watching.